वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल कविताज स्टडी अड्डा। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम इस वीडियो में देखेंगे क्लास 6 साइंस का चैप्टर 4 सॉर्टिंग मटेरियल्स इनटू ग्रुप्स। क्वेश्चन 1, नेम 5 ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच कैन बी मेड फ्रॉम वुड। आंसर, टेबल, चेयर, डोर्स, बोट, बेड। Question 2. Select those objects from the following which shine: glass bowl, plastic toy, steel spoon, cotton shirt. Answer: glass bowls and steel spoons are shining objects. Question 3. Match the object given below with the materials from which they could be made. Remember, an object could be made from more than one material, and a given material could be used for making many objects. Object and material: book, paper, tumbler, glass, chair, wood, toy, plastic, shoe, leather. Question 4. State whether the statements given below are true or false. First, stone is transparent while glass is opaque. False. Second, a notebook has luster while eraser does not. False. Third, chalk dissolves in water. False. A piece of wood floats on water. True. Sugar does not dissolve in water. False. Oil mixes with water. False. Sand settles down in water. True. Vinegar dissolves in water. True. Question 5. Given below are the names of some objects and materials: water, basketball, orange, sugar, globe, apple, and earthen pitcher. Group them as round shaped and other shaped, eatables and non-eatables. A. Round shaped: basketball, apple, orange, globe, earthen pitcher. Other shapes: water, sugar. B. Eatables: water, orange, sugar, and apple. Non-eatables: basketball, globe, and earthen pitcher. Question 6. List all the items known to you that float on water. Check and see if they will float on oil or kerosene. Answer. List of some items that float on water: paper, wood, thin plastic sheets, wax, ice, thermocol, oil. List of items that float on an oil: paper, plastic sheet, wax, thermocol, wood. List of items that float on kerosene: paper, thermocol, thin plastic sheet. Question 7. Find the odd one out from the following: A. Chair, bed, table, baby, cupboard. Answer: baby, because all other are non-living. B. Rose, jasmine, boat, marigold, lotus. Answer: B. Boat, because all other are flowers. Aluminium, iron, copper, silver, sand. Answer: sand, because all other are metals. Sugar, salt, sand, copper sulfate. Answer: sand, because all other are soluble in water. Extra questions, very short answer type questions. First, Why do we need to group materials? Give one reason. Answer. We often group materials for our convenience. It helps to describe their properties. Question 2. Suggest two bases on which we can group objects. Answer. Material used in making the object. Example, wood or metal, plastic. Second, material of the object is soft or hard, or substance is soluble or insoluble in water. Third, is a substance which can be compressed soft or hard. Answer, soft. Fourth, select a lustrous material out of the following substance. Answer, aluminium. Question 5. Which material is generally used for making pens? Wood, aluminium, plastic, cotton. Answer, plastic or metal. Question 6. Is oil soluble in water? Answer, oil does not dissolve in water, so it is insoluble in water but floats on the surface of water. Question 7. Name two objects which are made from opaque material. Answer, wooden doors, blackboards, steel plate, etc. Question 8. What is common between salt and sand? Answer, both have mass and are in solid state. Question 9. List three liquids which are transparent. Answer, water, alcohol, and acetone, benzene. Write two substances which are made from leather. Answer, belt and shoes. Next, name some substances which are made from plastics. Answer, toys, plates, cups, buckets, baskets. Question 12. Which is more hard, sponge or iron? Answer, iron is harder than sponge. Question 13. Write two gases which are soluble in water. Answer, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Short answer type questions. First, write any four properties of material. Answer, appearance, hardness, solubility, float or sink in water, transparency. Why is tumbler not made with a piece of cloth? Answer, we use tumblers made of glass, plastic and metal to keep a liquid. These substances can hold a liquid. A tumbler made of cloth cannot hold a liquid because cloth piece is not hard enough to hold liquids and cloth piece have very minute pores through which the liquid oozes out. What are the similarities between iron, copper and aluminium? First, they all have luster. Second, they are all metals. Third, they are hard. Mention some materials which are made up of paper. Answer, book, notebook, newspapers, toys, calendars, etc. Next question, what is the basis of sorting materials? Answer, materials are grouped on the basis of similarities or dissimilarities in their properties. Next, what is the reason for grouping materials? Answer, materials are grouped for our convenience to study their properties and also observe any pattern in these properties. Name a metal that exists in liquid state and a metal that is soft and can be cut with a knife? Answer. Mercury is a metal that exists in a liquid state. Sodium and potassium are soft metals and can be cut by a knife. Next, name the naturally occurring hardest substance known. Answer. Diamond. It is made up of carbon, which is non-metal. 9. Why is water called a universal solvent? Answer. Water dissolves a large number of substances in it, so it is called a universal solvent. स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। यदि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो आप इसको लाइक कर सकते हैं, शेयर कर सकते हैं और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।